One of the biggest complaints that people have in the work comp industry regarding account instructions is how do I get my adjusters to follow them? Hello, my name is Michael Stack, and I'm the CEO of AMAX, and today I want to give you one singular tip that can dramatically change that. To make those account instructions actually function the way that they're designed. Now, philosophically, the first thing that we want to keep in mind is that we want them clear, concise, and easy to understand. Okay, clear, concise, and easy to understand. So those are our cornerstones in terms of designing this. Here's the one point. The one point that can make this actually be reality. So that sounds nice. You're like clear, concise. Yeah, that's super cool. Sounds really nice. The one point that can make this easy to make this become reality, clear, concise, easy to understand, is what decisions have been made. What decisions have been made and making those easy. So let me give you an example. Making very clear triggers and concise triggers and easy to understand triggers for what decisions have already been made. Let me give you an example of what this means. Here's what your account instructions might say. We support early return to work. Okay, very general. Great idea. Love it. Love it. We support early return to work. That's awesome. Okay, what does it mean? Is it clear? Is it concise? Is it easy to understand? We support return to work. Okay, what does that mean? Does that mean I've got to talk to the supervisor? Does that mean how quickly are they getting back to work? Like, what does that actually mean in reality? When you get to these vague philosophical terms in an account instruction, you're like, I have no idea what that really means in practice. Now there's room for interpretation. Now there's delays. Now you can get stuck. Here's the difference, and here's the tweak. This is weak. Weak instructions. This is strong. It's specific. Modified duty will be offered within 24 hours of receiving work restrictions or a workability form or the ability to work. Modified duty will be offered within 24 hours when we receive the workability form or the work restrictions, or we get the information back to be able to put this person back to work. You see the difference. Very vague, very weak. Much more specific, much more easy to understand, very clear, clearly concise, very easy to understand. So how do I get my adjusters to follow these? We make it very simple for them to do it. Again, my name is Michael Stack. I'm CEO of AMAX. Remember, your work today in workers' compensation can have a dramatic impact on your company's bottom line, but it will have a dramatic impact on someone's life. So be great.